Hi, this is Gary Kay. We're here at the NEC Showcase in London, and this is a really neat setup. They've got a whole hallway here. You should, by the way, if you haven't seen my tour video to show you exactly how the whole show is set up, go to ravepubs.com/NEC and you'll see it. I did a whole tour of the entire showcase. This hallway here is owned by Hoylu, and Jakob Leitner is going to do a demo for us. He's got both sides. Basically a similar setup, same setup. One's projected, one's flat panel using the Infinity board, but ultimately you make collaboration software.
Exactly. So we are a collaboration software company, and what we're trying to do is enable collaboration both on a single site with multiple active participants on an interactive wall or on a multi-display setup, as well as enable collaboration across different locations.
Yeah, and what's cool about this, you can actually show how the Farsight Collaboration would work.
Exactly. So we have a design sketch open here, so I can bring up my pen and make interactions here. So I'm marking up something like this. And you can see that anything I change here will also show up on this location. This could be, you know, let's say New York office, London office. So you have the possibility to work across different sites with this. And what's interesting about this is that we have an infinite canvas. So we are seeing 3 pages at the moment. But if I zoom out, you see that this is actually part of a larger digital workspace that we're having here. So I could zoom in onto different pages. You will see that also the other screen is following me along. And the idea is that with this infinite canvas, we can come back to the same document and the same workspace over longer periods of time. So we can support processes over longer periods of time. So imagine that we are doing a video conference, for example. We're sharing the link to this workspace together with the meeting invite. Everyone can connect a little bit before the meeting, prepare their content, connect to the same session maybe the week after, and follow up on stuff that has happened. And we have a couple of different applications. So Sketch is our, very flexible workspace where you can do sketches, you can do annotations, you can import PDF and PowerPoint. We also have another application that's called Flow, and I'll open that up real quick. So in that application here, this is really perfect for more structured processes, for tracking progress, let's say on a Jira board. So we have a custom template loaded up here. It could be your own template that you're loading. And you can see we have different user stories here, we have different tickets, again, shared to the cloud. And what I can do now is I can move tickets around between different lanes. I can create new to-dos in the different lanes. And it's a very quick way to create new stuff. At the same time, you know, it's shared across different locations.
I want you to show how you can make these little post-it notes here. You got a neat little process for showing how to make post-it.
Yes. So, and I actually have to pick up another pen for this. Give me 1 second. Sorry.
Now, what you're looking at here is 3 NEC projectors that are seamed together to form one large digital canvas. And what they're showing here is near-site collaboration and far-site collaboration simultaneously, actually using the network that we have here.
So what we are also trying to bridge is analog and digital working styles. So in a lot of companies, imagine a construction company that has a pulse board, you will see a lot of post-its still being used. And that's obviously something that is very hard to share. But it's a working style that everybody is familiar with. So what we can do is we can write something here. And while I'm doing this, it's actually being streamed to the board in real time. So if I'm making changes, you can see them pop up on the wall in real time. And what's really cool about this is that, you know, I have a process that everybody is familiar with. I have up to 10 people, let's say, working on paper, collecting their ideas. I can then, from the paper, for example, go into flip chart mode. Everyone can see what I'm doing. And then as a moderator on the wall, I can go in, say, this is a great idea, that's something I want to keep. I copy it. I move over to our digital Scrum board here, paste it in. So we have gone from something that just was created on paper into a cloud-shared virtual workspace within a couple of seconds. And this could happen from multiple locations at the same time. I can also connect to the same workspace via my personal device. We have a web version that allows you to connect via a phone or an iPad, for example. So we're really supporting all stages of the collaborative process, from very large meetings to personal preparation and personal work, basically.
And where do I get more information? What's your web address?
So our web address is hoylu.com. That's HOYLU.com. And you will find a lot of information there. We also have a couple of video clips showing more of the stuff, and you can also download our software on the website and trial it for a while for free, basically.
Now, one last question. The next version of the software, when I write something up here, will it appear on the Post-it note?
Yes. So we have a very secret research project that is working on little drones that will fly in and will draw.
See, that's what I want to see. That's
Exactly.
good. So, all right, thanks for Jakob. Thanks for the demo, and thanks for watching. You can see all the videos we shot here at the NEC showcase at ravepubs.com/NEC.